The automotive industry is shifting gears at an incredible pace. Let's explore how Bytecasting LMS is revolutionizing dealer training. Many dealers face roadblocks like limited scalability and outdated classroom training. These challenges hinder their ability to train effectively and efficiently. Bytecasting LMS stepped in to change the game. From creating year-long training plans to scenario-based video assessments, they redefined training excellence. The results were remarkable, a 40% boost in scalability. Additionally, there was a 30% increase in workforce competency, showcasing the effectiveness of the training. With detailed analytics and seamless integrations, each training milestone became a victory. Centralized data and targeted learning modules ensured a future-ready workforce. Scenario-based video assessments prepared teams for real-world client interactions. This approach turns challenges into opportunities, enhancing overall performance. With Bytecasting, this leading automotive client accelerated their training strategy. They set a new standard for dealer success, and you can too. Contact us today to shift gears and lead the way in automotive innovation. Join the revolution with Bytecasting LMS.